Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix TikTok rewards not working. If you are experiencing issues with the TikTok app, such as crashes, glitches, or features not working properly, clearing the cache and updating the app can often resolve the problem. Keeping your app up to date and refreshing your device ensures smoother performance and access to the latest features. Here's a step-by-step guide to fixing common TikTok issues. First, reach the TikTok app and hold it for a few seconds. Now, tap on the icon shown here to reach the app info. Here, tap on the storage and cache option. Then, clear the cache of the app to fix the issue. After that, go to the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. Use the search bar to search for TikTok app. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. This will bring new features and fix existing bugs. If the issue is still there, try another method. Restarting refreshes the system, improves performance, and can often resolve minor glitches that affect app functionality. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.